Okay, back again. We have problems 4 and 5 to do. So let's take a look. We have a Poisson distribution with lambda equal 2.5. We have my favorite again, x greater than or equal to 1. So let's take a look. We're going to do the same kind of thing we did in the binomial case. So we have 1 minus d. Now we have a different distribution. We have the Poisson. We're going to have 0. And then lambda equal 2.5. So it's 1 minus the value there. So you have about 9179. Okay? Not surprising because the Poisson has most of its probability concentrated on the left-hand side, so it's considered right skewed. Okay? What is the probability that x is equal to 2? So it's just d pos 2 and lambda equals 2.5, and it's 0.2565. Nothing very dramatic there. And what is the mean and what is the variance? Of course, we all know that the Poisson has the identical mean and variance of the lambda. In this particular case, it is 2.5. Yay! Okay. So in this case, in problem 5, we have another data set. It's in the file a2.txt. We're going to have a range chart and an x-bar chart. So let's take a look. So we have x2, and we will have put together a matrix. And in this matrix, the number of columns is equal to 5. And it's in my Dropbox. Number of columns equal 5. And by row equal true. Okay, in case you're wondering what it looks like this. All right, so we still have our QCC open, I think. And we're going to have our range. So we have A2 type equals capital R. Oh, sorry about that. And number of columns equal 5. Aha. Okay, so we've got a number violating limits of 1. Got that nice red dot, it's out of the limits. Now, strictly speaking, as soon as we get the range chart that has a number violating a limit, we have invalidated our x-bar chart. Okay, so our x-bar chart is no longer any good. I went ahead and did it just for practice. You don't have to. It's just good practice while we're doing it. Now notice, just for fun, since I went ahead and did it, there were no invalidations on this one, but the key was the x-bar, or I should say the range chart. As soon as I hit that one, the x-bar was meaningless. Okay, so let's just say, for example, on the test, if you were doing a data set one of your questions said the R chart and then the X bar chart. If you had this, then you could quit. Okay? Sound good? All right. Good job.